Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert numbering list horizontally in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert numbering list horizontally. Go to the Insert menu. Then select the Table option. Then draw a table. Then increase the size of this table. Then write anything on this table cells. Now I write anything. Then select the text, click and drag on our mouse and go to the home menu. Then increase the font size. Then select the numbering option and choose any numbering. Now I select this. Then click outside of the table and we can see we insert numbering list horizontally very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.